This is such a cute little animation. Comes out, dumps the dirt. The turning gears. It just makes me so happy. This game makes me so happy. Oh, I need more trains. Come on, trains, get to where you need to go. And we'll need electricity happening. Time for the need for electricity. And get me the things. The people to the places. Can I also tie this in here? Oh, sweet. That is so sweet. That's so... Oh, man. Does anyone remember being a kid and having like that wooden train set? And you always wanted all of the intersecting pieces. And then once you get to the intersecting, you're like, I need a bunch of curved pieces. Yeah. Good times. Kid stuff. There it is. Oh no! Why did I do that to myself? No. 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 I destroyed... Oh man, okay. Gotta build that back up. I had this at the wrong corner spot, so I just sent back, and did it wrong way. Alright. That's so not cool. That was so not cool. What? You missed it. Oh gosh. So I had a train going to where it's supposed to go and one right behind it, and then this one was at the wrong clicky corner, so when it goes to the wrong destination, it just goes right back out, and it went right back out into its fellow train following right behind it. It's my fault. That isn't my fault. Okay, they're gonna go over here. We need 5 more of these to then have 5 more of these to then complete the bridge and the game's objective. Yeah, I destroyed like the material to just defeat the game. The game has won. You win this time, game. Come on, keep going. 1 more. Alright, here we go. It's all in the right direction. That's gotta be it. Here we go. That's it. Still got 1 star.